If you buy a house today for $500,000 and expect its value to grow by 6% per year, you might wonder how much that house will be worth after 10 years. This is where the FV function in Excel becomes very useful, because FV helps you calculate the future value of an investment based on a growth rate and a time period. The FV function works by taking today's value and projecting it forward into the future using compound growth. In this case, the annual growth rate is 6%, the investment period is 10 years, there are no regular payments, and the initial value of the house is treated as an investment you paid today. Excel applies the growth rate year after year and calculates the expected future value of the house at the end of the 10-year period. The result shows that the house would be worth approximately $895,000 after 10 years. Once you know the future value, you can calculate the return on investment. It measures how much profit you made compared to what you originally invested. To calculate it, you subtract the original house price from the future value, then divide the result by the original price. In this example, the increase in value is about $395,000, and when you compare that gain to the original $500,000 investment, the return on investment is approximately 79% over the 10-year period. This means that over 10 years, the house generated a total return of about 79% on your original investment, making FV and the return on investment powerful tools together for evaluating real estate decisions.